Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to display the date and time on your home screen. So having the date and time readily visible on your home screen is very convenient. While the time is displayed in the top left corner, this method allows you to have a larger display of the time and date right on your home screen. So here is a step-by-step guide to help you through the process. First, you need to go ahead and tap and hold onto the blank area of the screen, and this will open a menu. Look for the widgets option at the bottom and tap on it. You'll see a variety of widgets that you can add. Scroll down until you find the clock section and tap on it to expand the options. You'll see different clock styles like alarm, digital, analog, and dual log. For this guide, we'll choose the digital log. So let's go ahead and select it and then select add. The widget might be placed on a different page. Simply tap off it and then tap and hold onto the widget to drag it to your preferred location. I'll place it in the middle of the screen right over here. And if you tap and hold it again, you can press settings at the top as well. And you can also choose to delete it. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.